In addition to the books provided by Ruben Ambrego and Sutter By in 2012, I also wanted to share some books about the immigrant and refugee experience as told by authors now living in Minnesota. Teaching Folk Stories is the only picture book, while the rest are chapter books for upper middle school reading levels and above. I would recommend them to all students at that reading level. I would also recommend that if you have read them, please share their stories with others. Again, the purpose, as stated by Ruben Ambrego and Sutter By, is to build empathy about the immigrant and refugee experience in schools. You may also consider reading one on your own. My favorite is Kaukalia Yang's Late Homecomer and the Green Card Voices series, which is a compilation of stories as told by high school students, and the pictures I put are from Minnesota and St. Paul, while they're expanding the Green Card Voices in other cities across the United States. I personally enjoy reading a good book over the holiday break, and I'm always looking for suggestions. Enjoy these Minnesota stories.